Hey, what's up guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron. Today we are going to give a little more love to my Husaberg FX450. The bike developed a little funny noise on the idle, especially when it's cold. So today we are going to fix that knock. So stick around. This bike is making a noise. Last time I was riding when I started, when it was cold, it developed this noise and I really don't like it. So I did my research and found out that a lot of people have the same problem. They think it could be the valves, but actually this is something caused by a timing chain tensioner. So the stock tensioner is hydraulic. It works with the oil pressure. And when you start it, when it's cold, there is not enough oil pressure. It doesn't build enough tension on the chain, so the chain is making this noise, hitting the sides of a cylinder of an engine. And that's not a good thing, because you can wear out those sides, and it's just not a good thing. So you gotta fix that. Don't ride your bike when you hear that noise. And there is a company called Dirt that will probably do the trick. A lot of guys are recommending this product, and I called these guys up and I got this product from them. So today we are going to install it on my bike. This is a ratcheting system tensioner that is loaded by spring. So if you install it, the spring will push it out and it will not come back in, because there is this ratcheting system built inside in the tensioner. So that really helps to keep that chain tense in all condition. When you start it cold, it always sounds good. And since this is a 70-degree engine, my cylinder is like this, right? It's this weird design which I really love. It's like this, and the tensioner sits on the top. So I cannot install it like that, because as I'm installing the tensioner, it will fully extend. I cannot do that, so I have to lay my bike on the side and install it like that. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna let you hear it, listen to it. You can hear the noise in the low RPM when I start it cold, and then we will take the old one out and install this new bad boy. Alright guys, so here's my cylinder. This is the tensioner. You see how it sits on the top. I'm gonna start it. The bike is cold. Hopefully you can hear it through the camera. I hope you could hear it. It's like something is hitting there's this metal sound like tick 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 tick. And when I go on the gas, it gets a higher frequency. So we're gonna take this guy out and fix it. Here we go. This is a tensioner from Dirt. It comes with a code that you can scan on your smartphone, and you can get instruction how to install it. That's pretty neat. And then this is the part that extends. When you put a spring on you put a tension on it, you can hear how it clicks when it expands. Every time it expands, it clicks. That's the ratcheting system there, and it doesn't go back down. So when we install it, we want to install it in the collapse position like this. And then we load it with a spring. This thing will extend and do the job. The stock one is hydraulic, and the only thing that is keeping the tension, the pressure, is oil pressure. And you could hear it. It was cold. It was still making a lot of noise. And when the bike is hot, when the oil gets really foamy, and it's really runny, then the noise is actually even more noticeable, more stronger. So this guy should fix it all. You see, I lay my bike down on the ground here in the garage because I want to take this one out, and my new tensioner that cannot go in like that because it would fully extend. So I have to put it like this. This is 21 millimeters. We can take old one out, and there is this washer and an O-ring on the tensioner itself. We should be able to get the O-ring out. Hopefully it will come out, because we need to reuse it for the new tensioner. Here you go. And this bad boy should come out. Let me grab some needle nose. And the O-ring is not on it. Try to reach for her. Alright, so the O-ring is right here. Now this is the traditional tensioner that works on the hydraulic pressure, oil pressure. Here's the new guy. We need to install like this, right? Without extending it. So I'll put O-ring on it. Now this is the bolt. There is the bolt, I need to take it out and put a spring through it later on. But first I'm just gonna install it like this. And then take this one out and install the spring. Alright. Take this bolt out. There is another O-ring. Just keep it on the bolt. And my spring goes in. Pushes in. Alright, I'm gonna crank it a little bit. So I want to make sure that the chain will move while the bike is in this position. You know, if I don't want to lift it and allow that tensioner to expand fully. It shouldn't, but I just want to make sure. I was in the gear, but I did hit it a little bit. That's enough. So let's fire it up and see how it sounds. I don't know about you, but I don't hear any noise. The noise is gone. It was super simple to install. Just follow the steps. It's not difficult. Don't forget about the O-ring and just follow all the steps and you should be okay. Dirt tricks. Good job, guys. Your product really fixed my problem here. And that's about it for today. And don't forget, guys, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you later. I'm gonna stay here and listen to some music.